This is Oregon here from McLean Fort Worth. Today we're going to talk about slide maintenance and different types of slide systems. There are through-floor slide-out systems, and there are Schwintek slide-out systems, and then we also have some with slim rack slide-out systems. They're all three a little bit different, but all need the same kind of maintenance. We should inspect all of our seals. Every time we go out, we want to check for the bulb seal. This is the larger part here, and make sure that makes a good connection when our slide is closed. This is our wiper seal right here. That cleans the side of the slide out when bringing it in or taking it out. Underneath of the slide out system, you can see the large rails. That's what is making our slide go in and out. We want to make sure that's free of debris and clean at all times. That'll just prolong the life of your slide out. On the Schwintek slide out system, very similar. We still have the same bulb seal, same wiper seal. It's attached to the rack here. This is on the rack. We want to make sure that we keep these free of debris and clean at all times. If anything that we have on the side of here, we'll roll inside and get inside of the coach. So let's keep everything nice and clean, and it'll prolong our stuff, or prolong your slide out system. This is Oregon again here from McLean Fort Worth. Hopefully this was enough information on how to help you maintain your slide out systems. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit our service department, and thanks a lot.